guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making an apple butter waffles. Delicious, my friends. It is really simple, and I am actually using my apple butter that I made just a little while ago, and I will leave you the link to the recipe on that. It is super easy and super flavorful, and I did mention on that video that you can put this apple butter in just about anything and it will taste like full. Delicious. So I'm gonna go through the ingredients, pretty simple and basic. And now let's begin. Alright guys, now let's begin. Right here in this bowl I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And right here in this little cup I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 cup of whole milk, but you know I might need a little bit more. I'm gonna let you know when I am finished making the batter. I have 1/3 cup of oil. That's vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever flavorless oil you want to use. I have here my homemade apple butter. We're just going to use the zest of the orange and 2 whole eggs. And then that is it. That is all you need to get this started. Now let's begin. Okay guys, now let's begin. Now right here in my bowl with my dry ingredients, I'm just going to mix up the rest of my dry ingredients because it is pretty simple and there really is no fuss, no muss with this. The perfect scent and smells of the food, you're definitely gonna love this right here. So right now I'm going to put in my apple butter, and I am going to put in about 1/2 cup of this. This is concentrated apples with spices. That's why I'm not putting any spices in this, because it's already has so much going on, and it's concentrated with all that yummy spices and apples. I mean, you definitely need to give this a try. I'm going to put in my oil. Now the oil is just to make the batter, when it cooks, nice and fluffy and moist, so it really serves a great purpose. Okay, using my zester, I'm just gonna zest some orange. Now you just want the skin of the orange. You don't want to get where the white part is at, because it's just going to be bitter. And with the skin of the orange, it releases its oils. I mean, it's just full of flavor. This is just going to brighten up the batter and just add another layer of flavor. And I'm just going to use maybe that much, like 1/2 teaspoon. Not too much. I don't want it to taste like orange in here, but just enough to give it a nice bright and yummy note. And now I'm gonna put in my eggs, and I like to open up my eggs in a different container just in case if I get a bad egg. And here is my last egg. Alright, so you whisk carefully. You don't want to overly whisk your batter. You just want it to be combined. Alright guys, so I'm going to add 1/2 cup of more of milk because my batter seems to be a little bit too thick. Alright guys, so I am going to finish mixing this a little bit through, clean up, and start heating up my waffle iron. I'll see you right back. Alright guys, so right now what you need to do is heat up your waffle iron, and mine is fully hot. It says ready, has the green light on. And with some butter spray, you're gonna spray your waffle iron, even though it's a non-stick. waffle iron you just want to spray just in case. You're going to use a 1/3 cup measuring scoop. This is going to give you the exact measurements to fill in your waffle iron. And then you're just going to pour it in and try to spread it out just a little bit to each waffle square. Okay, and the last, and I'll let you know how this comes out once I finish with all of my waffles. Smells good already. Close it in. And after the green light disappears, it will let me know when it's done. I'll see you right back. Alright guys, this is the last batch. Fluffy. Beautiful. Alright guys, so you've seen how easy this was to make these waffles. It smells like fall in the house. You can smell the apple and a little bit of the spices. Now, like I told you before, if you're not making the apple butter from scratch, which you should because it's good, you can certainly buy it in the supermarket and add it to your waffle mix. It is divine, guys. So easy, so simple. So divine, so divine. You can taste the apples on a sudden note. It's not strong. You can add more if you want. And you can taste a hint of the spices as well. It's not strong. You can definitely add more if you want. So this is the kind of recipe that you can add more to your taste. Perfect. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Make this pretty simple. It tastes like fall, and this is perfect for the season. So if you have some extra apples, go make some apple butter. I will leave you the link below on how to do that, and whip up some homemade waffles. Divine, delicious. And you're not going to find this in the supermarket. So have fun, make it, and simply enjoy. Thank you once again. Don't forget that I have Instagram. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.